lunch. Hot food right here, turn here. Greyhound lunch. Hot food right here, turn here.
Hi sir, can you tell me what you guys are doing here at Holy Cross?
Yeah, my name is Spencer Owen. I'm a Director of Christian Education intern here at Holy Cross Lutheran Church in North Miami, and right now we're feeding our community. We still don't have electricity after Hurricane Irma, and our freezers were thawing, so we had two options. We could either throw the food away or give it to our community, so that's what we decided to do.
And is this your first hurricane?
I'm actually from Iowa. I went to school in Nebraska and got placed down here in Miami area and moved here in July, and my first hurricane that I survived. So it's a blessing to be here.
How has the community been impacted here?
We've met a lot of people who don't have power yet, still 4 or 5 days after the storm, and they're really grateful for everything. Really just some hot food is a good thing to have. So,
what do you think the mission of Christ would be in this situation?
I think if Christ were here, he'd do the exact same thing, and just reaching out to the community and getting to know them and providing a meal and just talking and getting to hear people's stories.
Hi, can you tell us a little bit why you're out here?
Oh my goodness. Well, there are so many people who are in need of food, you know, right now, and many who don't have like electricity and things like that, and so we have much that we can share. And so we just want to share with the community and just bring a little sunshine, you know, to their day. And you have a lot of, you know, it's just kind of hard for many of the people here. And so if we can help them and serve our community in such a way, you know, and sharing the food that we have. And too, you know, and through doing this, we spread the love of the Lord. And that just touches my heart. That, you know, they come and they see the joy that we have in our heart, and so I hope too that they see that and they're just touched, you know, by that, and we can plant like a little seed, and this little seed then hopefully will continue to grow, you know, in them. And you know, and if they don't have a church home, we pray that they would come in our direction, you know, and receive the love of the Lord that all of us need to have. It is a mission field here. You know, we go to many different places, but really, where we live is our mission field. You know, so I just like it. It's just love. And Miami is a wonderful place to be. And you've got so many different people and countries, and it's just a lovely place. So I'm glad we can do that and share what we have and spread the love of the Lord. So that's why.
Hi, I'm Sherry Mackey, and I'm principal of Holy Cross Lutheran School.
And I'm Dennis Bartles. I'm pastor here at Holy Cross. I've been here for 30 years, and we're here to serve the community, and that's what we're trying to do today.
Right. We serve 400 lunches and about 200 breakfasts every day, and because of that, we had a huge deep freezer full of food, and we decided that we would open our facilities to the community. Thank goodness we have gas facilities inside our kitchen, and we have grillers out here, and we're preparing all this food and serving everyone in the community today so that they can be physically fed and hopefully spiritually fed as well.
For some of these, this is the first hot meal they've had since Hurricane Irma went through, so that's been a blessing, and there's the donations. And we ran out of water, and here comes a truck and dropped off 20 cases of water for us and said we wanted to help too.
Bert's painting service just showed up with 2 truckloads of water.
And so it's all working together, and that's what God's kingdom is all about, and we're just thankful that we can be a part of it, and we're just praying for everybody's safety.
Blessed to be a blessing. We hope the power comes back on soon. The people that are living in the apartment buildings behind us are living in truly very poor conditions right now. So even though we don't have power, things are 10 times better over here. And as you can see, we have a pretty short line here, but earlier today there was at least 100 people deep in this line because we went over to the apartment buildings behind us and we invited people to come over, and they followed us back.
We've had more than 1,000 people go through.
Yeah, at least.
Holy Cross is a Lutheran church. We've been here for since 1951, and we have Sunday morning worships at 10:30, and we have about 19 different birth countries worshiping together all at the same time, and we hope that you'll come and be a part of us.
We're located in North Miami, Florida, 650 Northeast 135th Street. blessed to be a blessing.
Buenas tardes, queridas damas y caballeros. Estamos aquí en el campus de la iglesia Holy Cross. Holy Cross es una iglesia que proclama a Jesucristo como Señor y Salvador a través del amor, de la adoración y la educación y servicio a todos los pueblos. Esta tarde tenemos la experiencia maravillosa de celebrar el milagro que acaba de ocurrir aquí en Miami. En efecto, tuvimos 3 milagros en uno. El Señor tiró, bajó la velocidad de la tormenta, le bajó el golpe y la desvió. Tenemos un milagro aquí, el cual le da humildad al corazón y nos lleva a dar gracias por este gran momento. La comunidad se reúne y está trayendo donaciones de agua para los edificios que están aquí, que compartimos con los edificios que están alrededor de nosotros, con el estudiantado del área, porque tenemos una escuela aquí que tiene 5,000 estudiantes, tenemos varias donaciones de aguacate y tenemos otras donaciones que estamos compartiendo en este almuerzo al aire libre que tenemos esta tarde. Señoras y señores, Cristo salva. Cristo salva. Hemos llegado a las puertas de la eternidad y de ahí hemos visto la misericordia y como dice la Biblia, la salvación es de Dios y nadie viene al Padre si no es a través de su Hijo Jesucristo. Si no ha recibido a Cristo como Salvador, visítenos aquí en Holy Cross y queremos llevarlo no solo al pie de la cruz, sino a la salvación de nuestro Dios a través de Cristo Jesús. De nuevo, bienvenidos a Holy Cross. Estamos ubicados en el 650 Norris de la 135 calle y el pastor es el reverendo Dennis Bartles. Nos encontramos aquí en North Miami y si podemos extenderle alguna cortesía al pie de la cruz. Muy buenas tardes y gracias por haber venido a visitarnos hoy.
Mwele Sami, nous dans l'église qui est le Holy Cross dans North Miami, Florida. Nous dans une communauté qui y a un pile haïtien qui était dans la zone là. Il y a un pile monde qui pas un pile quoi, mais yo aimé Miami, yo aimé Jésus. So l'église là, là pour plus que 60 ans. Nous avons l'école qui vient tout le monde juste depuis kindergarten jusqu'à 8e année. Mais nous sommes l'église qui aime la communauté, nous aimons North Miami en pile. Et en Miami, nous sommes incroyablement fortunés que Hurricane Irma n'a pas tellement dévasté la communauté. Il y a 2-3 bagages qui écrasent dans l'église, mais en tout, bon Dieu bénit nous en pile. So, nous pas de lumière, mais nous avons l'école et nous avons pile manger que nous avons pour tout le monde dans l'école. Et so, nous décidons que nous avons tout de suite baillé pour tout le monde dans la communauté. So, nous venons là avec un grill et nous décidons que nous avons tout manger que nous gagnons. Pour le monde dans la communauté, parce qu'il n'y a pas de lumière.
Diana, could you tell us how your family was impacted by Irma?
Well, you know, like we live in an apartment and we're like in the first floor, like the top, and then so like our roof fell out, and that's when like we had leaking roof, and then there was like water inside the house.
Do you have electricity right now? No electricity. So this is your first hot food since the hurricane. Wow.
Yeah.
What do you think about Holy Cross School?
It's special.